So what will be the developed surface? Can you answer? What is the difference? Which one is easier? This one? Because for these different angular positions having different lengths, for different angular positions these lengths are different, but for different angular positions these lengths are same, both this as well as this. So if I simply know the height, then I can draw it easily. That means for this case it will be simply I have to know this pi d and I have to know this L, so that I can determine theta is equal to a pi d by L, right? Pi d by L, and then we can draw the L length and then draw the angle. Simply draw the angle and take this length or take this length, then draw it. Then simply it will be like this. This clear? Okay. These are simple things, right? Now there may be something like, just for introduction I am telling you. There may be something like, for example, I have to produce a difficult thing. For example, here you have one cylinder. Here you have one cylinder, but it may be like you have two cylinders but intersecting. Okay? What is that? Say for example, you have a cylinder like this. Another is intersecting cylinder, like this. It is intersecting, but that intersection will not be definitely a line. So there will be some thing like this. So how to exactly know what is the length? How to exactly know what will be the length here? After unwrapping, what will be the exact shape? How to know that? So for these kind of difficult or complex shapes, you can use this idea to, that is, use this idea of surface development. This is very simple. Making a box is very simple. Making a cylinder is very simple. Making even a cone cut by a section plate, it is also simple, right? But these are little more difficult. So what we need to do is, one cylinder is vertical, another is horizontal. They are intersecting. Once they are intersect, I can develop two views definitely. One is the front view. From the front, both are basically rectangle. From the top, one is circle, another is rectangle. Right? If you see from the top, this will be circle, but this will be still rectangle. But from this side, this will be circle, this will be rectangle. So once you do this, because so far you know, by this time you know the concept of orthographic projection. So you know how to draw the projections of these two. Means when they are basically in the assembled position. That means this and these are assembled. So once they are assembled, in their assembled position you can draw easily what will be the shape. For after that, what you will do, you will start developing one by one, taking the dimensions. So what you do, basically after you determine these intersections, you take the length and measure it. That means you produce this surface. Okay. So that is the idea. Clear? Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? 100%. Okay. ভিডিওটা পজ করে